Hello, this is how we jive for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. Here I'm again with another unboxing. Here I have another box for you guys. This time we have Meta Quest 3S VR from Meta or Facebook. This is 128 version. This is 3S, not 3. We can see two joystick or handle. Here is the main device with a lot of camera and sensor. Lovely packaging of this one. Let's see, here is written Meta Quest 3S. Lovely. This side also Meta Quest written behind. Some warning, attention, you can see, coming with different things inside the box. What you can find is written here Meta Quest 3S headset, white, standard facial interface, pre-installed, glasses spare, 2 Meta Quest Touch Plus controller, 2 AA battery inside, 2 wrist strap, pre-installed, USB-C power adapter, USB-C charging cable. So many things inside the box. Lovely looking box. It's quite heavy though at my hand. So without any further ado, I'm gonna take this off from the box. I will push one side to take this out. Now let me take this off from here. And this side, lovely here, two handle or joystick in old classical gaming way. Here at the middle we have something lovely looking box. Take out here the controller. You can see here we have a joystick. We have 3 buttons. This is XY and this is for control or something else. Enter could be. Here we have another button at the top too. Let me show you more closer. This one, the build quality, other stuff. How beautiful, lovely. You have one stripe here. So connect your hand inside. Take this off from here. This one for putting inside your hand here. If you want to use that way. There is one plastic at the middle. So there is a battery inside of this one. Okay, comes with a pre-battery that is AA size of battery. Lovely. This is one. Put one side. Take this other one. Is a similar. So both hand you'll have two. This one is this hand. Left or right, this is I think for the right hand, and this one for the left hand. So you see how it is to control this, playing any game, any movement you are doing. Lovely. Put them one side. After that, here is the headset. Lovely. Before that, we'll go to this one. Here we have a charger inside. This is packed totally. This we have to use on the face. Okay, there, if I can take this off, there's some glue, so I'm taking this off from here. And let me show you the cable. Is nothing fancy here. It has charger, USB-C cable. So USB-C charger, nothing fancy. If you have iPhone charger, Samsung charger, you can charge the same. Here this should go, I don't know, somewhere in the set. So I leave the charger there. Here is the headset. Lovely. You can see how it is. Beautiful. At the front you can see, I think there's 2 cameras, the sensor, many other stuff. Here you have one light, one lead. Here is another lead, 2 lead. Logo of Meta, you can see. Beautiful. There is one stripe. This will go to your head. Lovely. The glasses. It's protected with the plastic. Yeah. So you have to take them out this way. This one as well I'm taking out. Putting inside here. In case if you want to change or something, you protect all the things is coming with. The stripe or headband, you can see. Lovely. Here this side you see C port for charging. You see the texture, beautiful texture here. Here we have, I think I don't know exactly what is the function of this one because we charge with USB. So here look at the adapter always. I don't know, to be honest. Here's the power button. Here you can see lead. At the top this side you don't have anything. This side neither, other side another hole. So we have to read the menu to see what is the function of that, of those holes. Here we can see inside the glasses. Let me show you. In Meta Quest 3 there are better glasses what I have listened. This one is not that advanced as 3, but with this price range I paid 329 euros from Amazon, so it's a good price. Here you see some hole. These are speaker hole. Okay, you can use additional speaker perhaps. No, sorry, this is a sensor. Now I see properly. It's not any jack hole for 3.5mm jack. No, nothing is that here. As this another. So you have to use a Bluetooth speaker in this case. Here you can see one button, plus and minus, so volume, this if you want to control. Very beautiful advanced device. The cushion, here you can see how it is. Very high quality cushion, I feel at my hands. Lovely. And this one, I don't know where it will go. As this, inside or somewhere. What was the purpose of this one? I don't know. Why it is here even. I don't know. We have to check. You see, okay. Now I find here. If you want to use a glass optics, for example, here is a sign of optics. So you can take out the cushion from here. You can add. So it will give you more room. So if you want to use a glass, you can use easily. So you have to take out this part of the cushion. And you have to add inside, and you can add. You have a more space at between to adjust. Lovely, lovely thinking. So you don't need to buy any extra tools, anything for this. But look at this, guys. Beautiful it is. Look beautiful, so much advanced, high tech. Here we see some separation, some hole. Some moment I think you can take out this from here as well. Lovely. So without any further ado, I'm gonna put this on my face and I'm hitting the power button, guys. Let's see. 1, 2, and 3. If you can listen something. I see some kinds of light inside. See, I will put on my face and I will tell you. So I see Meta logo. I can see the skin, everything, because it has external camera. So I can see the things inside. It's telling me to do something with the joystick here. You see, to take out this one from the middle, to use this one. Fine. And the other one as well, I have to take out to use. And now I see the things to check if the button is working or not. I'm doing setup. So I'm doing the setup process, but tell you guys it's excellent. It's far more better any VR I've tried before. There could be some other version better than this one, but in this price, this is worthy a product from Meta, guys. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye.